All right, so we only had one casualty this week, which is a big improvement from any other nail glue that I've used. Now, I picked up this Curvlife nail glue and nail glue remover because I have oily nail beds and I have had to use gel nails to get nails extensions to stay on. Anytime I use a regular nail glue and regular press-on nails, they never stay on. But we've had these set of press-on nails using this nail glue on for a week straight now with only one little casualty there, and that might have been my fault. I'm very, very rough on my hands, but I applied these last Thursday, March 26th, and as you can see, it is a Thursday, April 2nd, so exactly a week. So now we're about to test how the nail glue remover works so that we can remove these. But real quickly, let me tell you what I liked about this nail glue. Now, I was impressed because most of the time my press-on nails don't even last 24 hours. So the fact that I've only had one lost in a whole week is very impressive to me. Now, I did do a little bit of nail prep. I did kind of push my cuticles back and kind of buff with a nail file to roughen up my nails, and then I tried to remove as much of the oil as possible with some acetone, wiping it with some acetone. However, I love this nail glue because it was not as messy as a regular nail glue. It has a very fine tip. When you squeeze the glue out, a lot of nail glues I encounter are very like liquidy, and then you just end up getting them all over your hands and your fingers feel like they're stuck together. This was a very thick gel, so I was able to squeeze it out in a dollop, put it right on the nail that I wanted to, and then you can just kind of slide the nail over your nail to spread out the gel. Press and hold for about 15 seconds and the nail is stuck. Another thing I noticed using this nail glue against other ones that I've used, and some of the other ones that I have used include like the Kiss brush on like power grip, but this one does not make your nails feel tight. They feel natural. They don't feel like they're just heavy or tight on your fingers. So once the glue dries, you don't feel anything at all. You just kind of feel like you're not even wearing press-ons, which I really appreciated. But now it is time to take these off. Now, using this nail glue remover, it is not supposed to take that very long at all. It does have a very, very thin, I don't know if you can see that point for the squeeze bottle. And all you do is we are going to squeeze this. Oh, and this does come out kind of liquidy, so it is easy to get. We are going to squeeze this just all around the edges of the nails. So I'm just getting all the nails on this hand. Now, once you squeeze it all around the nails, it did come with a cuticle pusher. You're supposed to be able to take this cuticle pusher, oh, that lifted very easily, and just lift up a corner of the nail. And then once you have the corner of the nail lifted up, you can kind of get this nail glue remover up in the corner, and you're going to squeeze a little kind of now under the nail. And it says let it sit for about 10 or 15 seconds. So I'll go ahead, and these are actually feel like they are lifting up very easily. All right, and after you've waited about 10 or 15 seconds, you're supposed to be able to just take your cuticle pusher and pry the nail off. Now, I can tell you the side that I put the nail glue remover under is coming off very easily. The other side is not. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the same thing on that side, kind of pry the corner up and then put more nail glue remover under that. Let's test some of these other ones. Now that one popped right off. There is a little residue left on my nail, but it did not, see if my camera can focus, it did not damage my nail at all. And if for some reason you wanted to reuse your press-on nails, it doesn't look like it damaged the press-on nail at all either. It looks completely intact. Let me go ahead and get the rest of these popped off. That one popped right off too. All right, and since we added some more of the nail glue remover to the thumb, that one just came right off. All right, and there we are, nails completely removed. So if you're thinking about picking up this nail glue and nail glue remover, I hope this helps.